Hello, Bibi lovers. My name is Bibiana, and you are welcome to Bibi's Kitchen. On today's episode, we are going to be making coconut rice. All the coconut rice lover, your girl got your back. Okay, so let's start prepping our coconuts first. Cut them into a tiny pieces, and then you are going to blend them together. Most people use grater, but today I'm using blender because I want to save time. So you have to put small water inside the blender and cut the coconut into small pieces so it will be easy for you to blend because coconut sometimes is hard. And then by the time you finish blending, they turn them into a separate bowl entirely and then boil water. You're going to be using hot water to shift out this coconut so that all the oil, the coconut juice can mix together and it will come out more when you use hot water. So don't forget that point. When you're done blending it, you can now turn your hot water inside and then mix it very well. You have to keep stirring it, mix it until the coconut oil comes out and the whole coconut juice is sticking before you shift it, as you can see here. So you have to turn it, keep turning it and turn it, and then you see how thick it is, you see how rich it is. Yes, that's what we are looking for. So by the time you have gotten to this point, like it means it's ready for you to filter. Use your filter and filter it out. So separate the sharps from the coconut juice that you need to cook your rice. You can add more water to it if the quantity of water is not enough for you. This water, you can keep it as you use the rice to cook the rice. You can be adding water until your rice is softened. So the coconut water is very, very important. That is the most important ingredient in making coconut rice. So filter it very well. Make sure that the sharps does not go back inside. And then, so over here we have our veggies, our crayfish, our chicken, our rice, our ginger, garlic, and today I'm using fresh basil, that is curry leaf, and then the coconut oil. And I'm going to be serving it with fried plantain. That is why you see the plantain there. So I'm putting sausage, I'm putting onions, I'm putting carrots inside my coconut rice today, and I'm putting the dry fish, that is Titus dry fish and Banla dry fish. So this is going to be one yummy and creamy coconut because I prepped my ingredients the night before, so my coconut is frozen, and now I'm going to detour it. I'm going to defrost it. So put the coconut inside the coconut water inside the pot and then put it on the fire, and then you can come do your chicken is already seasoned. I season my chicken every night when I want to use it the next day. I told you before in my previous video how to season your chicken. So while my chicken is on the fire, my coconut water is already boiled. Don't wash rice. Please wash your rice with more water. Wash it very well so that the starch can come out. You can use small hot water, lukewarm water to wash it if you want, or you can soak it with water and salt to remove the starch. And then wash it very well. And then turn it inside the coconut water. And then stir it just a little bit. Okay, so you have put your rice on the fire, and then you can remove your chicken from the stove because by now your chicken is soft and tender, ready to be fried. Do not forget what I told you about this chicken stock. So now you're going to turn the chicken stock inside your coconut. Trust me, this alone, because of the ginger and the garlic that is inside the chicken plus the seasoning, oh my god. And then you now mix it with the coconut water. You can just leave the rest for your imagination. So when you finish turning your chicken stock inside, turn your crayfish on it. So you put your carrots, put your sausage, then put your onions on it. Your onions, I slice my onions round because I want to see the onions when I'm eating the rice. You are going to see this at the end of the video when the coconut rice is ready. Then you put your onions on it. You can put your fresh tomato if you want, and then you check if your rice is soft. By now my rice is soft a little, but it's not yet ready. So I will not be adding more coconut water because this one is enough for me. You can now add all your protein. I am putting my fish. I'm going to put both the spala fish and the other fish. Then you can put your pepper because I like it a little spicy, so I added extra pepper. And then do not turn all the pot, just the top, to mix the seasoning and the ingredients you have added. Allow it to boil. See, it has boiled out. Can you see the coconut oil? Yes, that is what I'm seeing. See, the coconut oil is floating. like we put granite oil, meanwhile we didn't put. So you can add remaining of your fish now. Add remaining of your fish inside, and you can now put your seasoning. I'm using Knorr chicken for this seasoning. Break it and then spray it on top. Don't worry, it's going to melt inside the rice. The rice is going to absorb it, so don't worry about it. Just put it and then put your fresh tomato. Slice your tomato round so that you see it when the rice is ready. It also adds beautification to the food, as you can see on this video. Then you can now put your grain, and our rice is almost ready. Can you see? Now you can reduce the lights a little so that the heat can cook the rice and make your rice soft. At this point, there's no need for me to add any more water because my food is ready and the aroma is coming. So while I cover it and allow it to the steam to soften my rice, let's start prepping my plantain because we're going to be frying the plantain. Okay, so you slice your plantain as you see in this video, and then go back and check your rice. See, our rice is ready. Right. Oh my God, and it's so creamy. It is very, very creamy and it looks delicious. So now you can now mix everything together because you're now on a low heat, remember? So mix everything together, mix it well. Since the coconut is ready, we can now start with our plantain. So pack your plantain up and then use the same oil to fry your chicken. It's very simple. Our coconut rice is ready. Our chicken is almost ready. Our plantain is ready. Coconut rice and plantain. Oh my God. What do you think of that combo? Let me know where you're watching from, and in the comment section let me know if you will be taking coconut rice or if you have ever had coconut rice with plantain before, and if you had, let me know if you like the combo or not. For if you haven't had, if you're going to be trying it, please tag me on it. Let me see how well your coconut rice is. So now you can now fry your chicken. Fry your chicken. I like my chicken again brown. Yes. So fry your chicken very well. Allow it to be brown before you turn to the other side. It has to be brownish before you turn it to the other side. And then it's almost ready. So now we can now pack this coconut rice for the customer that wants it. And now we can now remove it from the fire. Coconut rice, check. Plantain, check. Protein, which is chicken, check. Everything 10 over 10, right? Yes, right. So thank you for staying with me till this long and for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also order this in bowl and in liters. We cater for parties, for get together, for weddings. Nothing beats Baby's Kitchen food because this food is made with lots of love. You can see how rich our coconut rice is. See how dry it is. Can you see? You can see all the ingredients. You can see the sausage, you can see the onions, you can see the fish, you can see the green pepper that we use. You can see everything is just well put together. This is very, very delicious, I tell you.